guys. We're getting ready to head out to San Diego, pump gas a little bit, and we're gonna go skydiving. My wife and I, she's in the car. She's not feeling too good, but hopefully she'll get her motivations up once we get there. She's a little nervous. I am too. I can't lie, but we'll get there. All right, let's go.
Terrified, you keep imagining over and over again jumping out of an airplane, and you can't figure out why you would do that.
You ready? No. Estamos mirando puro Yes Theory y Will Smith todo el camino para motivarnos.
Nope.
Yo.
Good morning, sunshine.
Good morning, Kevin.
Aquí estamos en el Golden Acorn Casino.
Are you guys coming straight to the house?
Yeah, I think so, because we're a little early.
Okay, pues aquí te miro.
Alright, pues.
Bye bye.
Te bañas. Say hi to the vlog.
Ay, la miro bien nerviosa. Bien nerviosa. No, como que ¿qué me metí? ¿Qué hice? ¿Por qué le dije que sí?
That's my brother if he would do it. I would do it.
Jumping out of a damn good working plane. It ain't no thing. Once you jump, it's like parasailing. You're just hanging in there. I think.
Esta
es el ancho y tú eres el instructor. El ancho iba a estar así. Y el instructor va a querer ir para enfrente. Y el ancho iba a estar así.
Vamos luego pues.
The way my time is set up. I got a game at 10:20 that I'm late to.
Alright, we gotta go. Alright, we love you. See you guys later, okay?
Nice to meet you. Don't drop the parachute.
Love you guys.
Nos vemos, cuídense.
Ya llegamos para aventar en un avión. Se ve bien chilo aquí el paisaje. Creo que Angie está nerviosa. Pero ya estamos listos. We're ready to go in.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just...
¿No está apretado? No puedo salir así.
No.
¡Te dije!
Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town.
Monica! Hey there!
Hey!
Ready to jump out of an airplane?
I'm not ready.
What's up, my brother? What are you doing today, my man?
Jumping.
Oh, jumping out of that plane?
Are you crazy?
People think so.
Was this your idea or is it
Yeah, it was my idea. I bought the tickets and everything, but I'm just like, I don't know.
You're crazy like the rest of us.
Take care of this guy, and if he takes you to Mexico, buy him a beer, okay?
All right.
I'll see you guys in the plane.
I just woke up like, I don't know if I'm gonna do it, but I'm here, so let's do it.
Let's go see what, let's hope the parachute works. Don't worry, if anything goes wrong, I got you on camera.
Okay.
Yeah, let's party.
Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
Welcome back.
Ciao, brother, how was that? Money in the bank,
I
huh?
wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else.
Everybody made it.
I'm gonna be someone else. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in.
Man, it was such a rush. Oh, it was beautiful. I don't know how my face is gonna look when I'm over there, but oh.
Estaba bien padre, no oigo nada, traigo los oídos tapados, pero se sentía que no estaba real, se miraba como
Bien bonito.
bien bonito.
Yeah, it was good.
No imité.
Alright guys, we're gonna wrap this up for this trip, San Diego 2020. Sorry. We jumped out of an airplane, got to hang out with family, friends, and look at this awesome view. I mean, honestly, it's can't ask for more. Fun day trip. Thanks to Art and friend Edgar over here for helping me out, record and taking pictures. It was a blast, and now we just gotta drive back. Luckily, I have 3 people that can co-pilot me. Yeah, I'm the 4th one. I get to drive. Don't argue with me on my blog. But no, jokes aside, it's been a blast and it's fun. Hope you guys like it. And, we don't know where this video is gonna take us or if we're gonna do any more, but we're gonna be happy to be making more content. Hopefully, we can go camping, go hiking, do more things outside this 2020. So hope you guys can tag along. All right, thank you. We out.
Bye.